Alright, this video, how to spot an exhaust leak on a weld, or actually anywhere along your exhaust. Quick, easy, simple way is to get your shop vac and hook up the hose to your exhaust port in the back. If you can, this little rigid 5 horsepower vac does that. I think it's about a 5 gallon. But anyway, take your hose end and you put it into the back of your tailpipe. And sometimes you have to tape it, sometimes you don't. But in this case, turn it on. And you'll be able to, you'll be able to feel where it's leaking from the air coming out. But how you really tell is you grab yourself a pretty good mix of soap and water, heavy on the soap side so it suds up really good. And then you're basically just spraying your exhaust down. And then you'll be able to see right where it's bubbling from. Those couple spots right there. You got one up there. A real bad leak right here. But that one's not too bad. Got a little bubble popping out. And then the rest of it, got another leak right there. Go on the back. Right there, we'll be able to fix those. And if you have dual exhaust, you put a glove on the end, you tape it, so that helps keep the positive pressure on the inside. But anyhow, hope that helps. Gives you a real good idea how you can spot a exhaust leak. Hope that helps. Ryan, Garage Mahal, thanks for watching and subscribing.